Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Bluetooth phone call on your Redmi Watch 3 Active because you asked for it. We read some of your comments asking us to make a Bluetooth phone call using the smartwatch device. Making a Bluetooth call on your Redmi Watch Active 3 is very easy and convenient. Just make sure that the Bluetooth is connected both on your device and your smartwatch. So first, let me show you how you're going to make a Bluetooth phone call. So go to your phone, go to your Redmi Watch 3 Active settings, select the select the mobile phone logo to make an active Bluetooth phone call. And you can make a phone call. Just dial the number of the person you're going to talk to. We're going to call Drew. I'm going to dial his number. And let's make a phone call. Let's wait until the Drew answers the phone. Hello, Drew. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, narinig mo ako? Hello? Narinig mo ako? Hello? Hello? Narinig mo ako?
Hello?
Hello? Teka, wala pala akong ano. Teka, yan. So ito, sinusubukan ko, tumatawag ako gamit yung Redmi Watch 3 Active na smartwatch. Pakita ko sa video sa YouTube kung paano gamitin yung Bluetooth phone call ng Redmi Watch 3 Active sa mga, yun nga, mga tawag-tawag. So clear ang voice calls. Walang ano, hindi naman siya naglalag or hindi naman choppy. Ikaw din, okay din yung ano yung audio. Malinaw din yung audio. Dinig ko din. So ito yung kinaganda ng smartwatch na to, no? Pwede kang tumawag pala using the Redmi Watch 3 Active via Bluetooth. Ayun. O sige, yun lang at ano na?
Sa smartwatch nagsasalita?
Oo. Oo. Dito sa smartwatch ako nagsasalita. Galing ano? Oo. Ano no? Meron siyang built-in speaker and microphone. Yun ang kinaganda na itong Redmi Watch 3 Active.
So yung privacy hindi pa rin ano?
Hindi na Kung gusto mo ng privacy, siguro tawag ka na lang sa phone. Oo. Pero to for mga emergency calls or yung mga conversation na okay naman na in public ganon. Oo, di ba? Tsaka tignan mo, high-tech ang dating mo. Tumatawag ka sa sa smartwatch. Di ba? Oo, para kang James Bond. Para kang Mission Impossible. Oo. Sige, yun lang at i-update mo na lang ako ulit diyan sa event mo diyan sa sa BGC. Sige. Okay, thank you. Okay. Ayun guys, so there it goes. Nakita nyo naman na how we use the Redmi Watch 3 Active Bluetooth phone call, di ba? So ang galing at pwede kang makipag-usap sa kabilang line just using the smartwatch kasi meron na siyang built-in speaker and microphone. So that's it guys, I showed you kung paano gamitin ang Redmi Watch 3 Active sa Bluetooth phone calls. Nga pala, take note, not all devices are Bluetooth capable. And yung Bluetooth range depends sa distance pag gagamitan mo ng Bluetooth phone calls. Just make sure na yung device kung saan nakakonect yung Redmi Watch 3 Active ay malapit sa inyo. Ang range ng Bluetooth device is around mga 10 meters para mas malinaw and hindi magputol-putol yung connection. So I hope this one helps, and go check it out. Very affordable lang naman ang price nitong Redmi Watch 3 Active for 1,999 pesos. Kung meron ka ng smartwatch, meron ka pang pangtawag sa mga friends mo or family members. So yun lang, and maraming salamat. Always stay tuned para sa ating mga next videos, and keep on watching our videos. Please subscribe na rin, and maraming salamat. Yun lang.